Lesson 35, Simultaneous Equations, Example 5. Using the inverse of a matrix, solve simultaneously 2x plus y equals 3 and x minus 3y equals 5. Now, we need to know what an inverse is. Now, to do that, I'll write down, we'll let A equal A, B, C, D. Now the inverse is equal to 1 over the determinant of A, and this is going to be, now these swap over, so we get D and an A there, and these change signs. We get minus B minus C, and the determinant of A, det A, equals AD minus BC. Alright, now we're set up to go. Now here we'll have almost set up to go. We're going to have, setting this up to the matrix, we'll have 2, 1, 1 minus 3 being the coefficients of the x and the y's, and this one as x, y, and that's equal to another column matrix which is 3, 5. Now when you multiply matrices together, I'm multiplying that row by that column. So 2 times x is your 2x, and 1 times the y is the y, equals 3. This one, 1 times x is x, and minus 3 times y is minus 3y, equals a 5. So row 1 by column 1, row 2 by column 1. Right? Now, xy then, okay, we'll let our A equal this 2, 1, 1, negative 3. So we've got A there equal 3, 5. So xy equals inverse of A times this column matrix. So clearly we need to find what the inverse of A is, and that's going to be equal to A inverse, I'll just rub it out, a bit more room. The inverse of A equals 1 over the determinant of A. Now the determinant of A is equal to 2 times minus 3 is minus 6, and 1 times 1 is 1, minus 1, so that's minus 7. Okay, and that's going to be, swapping this 1 around, this is a minus 3 here, and a 2 here, and changing the signs. And what we'll do, we'll just tie that up a little bit, make that 1/7. 1/7, and change the signs here. That's 3, 1, 1 minus 2. Almost done. Yes, it's a rather a long process, isn't it? But it's very good when it comes to a 3 by 3, because you won't be doing this, you'll be using either an Excel spreadsheet or a calculator. Now that's going to be equal to 1/7, but you need to know how it works. 1, negative 2. There's our 3, 5 up there. 3, 5. Now we need to multiply these two matrices together. And we're going to get here. Now 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 times 5 is 5, and 9 and 5 are 14. 1 times 3 is 3, and minus 2 times 5 is minus 10. That gives me minus 7. And that's rather nice, isn't it? Because now we're going to have, we take the 7th inside, we get that xy is equal to, you could actually leave it like this, 2 and negative 1 is our answer. Which of course means that x equals 2 and y equals negative 1.